What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and Realme is coming with the world's first sustainable design in its upcoming flagship smartphone, and it's the Realme GT 2 Pro. Now this smartphone is launching on 7th April, and you will be getting with this smartphone is a sustainable design which is for the betterment of the environment. And the phone will be coming with a 6.7 inch of a WQHD plus LTPO display 2.0 with an E4 AMOLED panel, and you will be getting Gorilla Glass Victus for the protection of the display, and the brightness of this phone will be of 1400 nits with a 120Hz of AMOLED display. Now not only that, the Realme smartphone will be featuring a flagship processor from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. LPDDR5 RAM will be supported and a UFS 3.1 storage. Now talking about the software, then it will be coming with the Android 12 out of the box with the Realme UI 3.0. Now right now Realme do support 2 years of a major OS upgrade, which is decent again at the price with the Realme is offering. Now talking about the battery capacity, then it will be a 5000 mAh battery with a 65 watts of fast charging support, and the charger will be included inside the box itself. On the front camera, it will be a 32 megapixel of Sony IMX615 sensor in a form of a punch hole selfie camera, and the main sensor at the back will be a 50 megapixel of Sony IMX766 with an OIS support, and the other 50 megapixel camera of an ultrawide camera and 2 megapixel of a depth or a macro sensor. Now the price of the Realme GT 2 Pro is yet to be known, and it will be weighing around 199 grams and 189 grams. Now not only that, the price what we can expect from this smartphone is to be launching around to be at 40,000 rupees, as it's the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So what do you think about this Realme flagship smartphone? Let us know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one. Thanks for watching.